Do you guys hear this? Look. That's some thick oatmeal. Thick boy. It's 12:40 and I'm gonna make some oatmeal because why not? You can eat oatmeal at any time. I don't care what nobody says. It's midnight and I want some breakfast, so I'm gonna make some right now. Welcome back everyone to another video. I'm gonna be making some cookies and cream oatmeal with all the stuff that I got over here. Very, very quick and easy. If you want a healthy breakfast, I got you. And I don't think there's a proper way to make oatmeal because it's like a freestyle breakfast. You can literally add anything you want to your oatmeal and that's pretty much it. And since we're adults, this is what adults eat. We don't eat no more cornflakes or Rice Krispies no more. We eat oatmeal because we're grown. The way I'm gonna make my cookies and cream oatmeal is literally using cookies and cream flavored oats, a banana, strawberries because strawberry and bananas is literally the best infusion of fruits of all time. I don't care what no one says. A little bit of chocolate chips, peanuts because let me tell you something. Peanuts in oatmeal taste 10 out of 10. Oh my god. And then we have the main star over here, which is the almond milk. Can't forget that. Let's get into it. This is probably going to be a shorter video than most because this literally takes like 10 minutes to make or less. So I hope everyone's quarantine is as good as it could possibly get. There's only so much you can do and there's only so much food that I can make because, you know, we're saving food and that's the #1 priority right now. I don't know if we're going to have a summer, but you know, I don't know. So now I'm gonna start to actually make the oatmeal. I'm gonna start off by putting maybe like 300 milliliters of almond milk in the pot. Next, all we're gonna do is literally rip open our oatmeal and dump it in. We're gonna let this cook for about maybe 2 minutes or less. I have it at a 6 right now, so it's gonna like boil up pretty fast. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna add just 1 normal packet of oatmeal because I don't think this is enough oats. And we want this oatmeal to be like a thick boy. So I'm just gonna add 1 more packet of oatmeal inside there. If you stuck this far to the video, this is my formal invitation to you saying if Rona is done by this summer, I'm gonna host a giant summer pool party. So for everyone that's watching, this is my invitation to you. Hopefully you come out and get lit. I don't know, I think it'd be fun. I threw a Canada Day party like 3 years ago and it was wild. So I'm trying to repeat that because I know everyone is gonna be crazy. They're gonna be, it's gonna be exciting. I think we're done here. This is pretty like thick. This is the consistency that I like at least. People like it runnier, people like it more thick. This is like a balance, and right now we're just literally gonna put it in a bowl. The way I like to construct my oatmeal is literally just grabbing some strawberry, putting it at the bottom, grab some banana, also putting that at the bottom, a few peanuts at the bottom. Just gonna dump in my oatmeal. Oh my god, that's thick. Oh, stop it right there. Just gonna toss the rest of it in. Oh my god, I missed that. I missed the whole bowl. Okay. The rest of the oatmeal. This would not be complete without cinnamon. And let me tell you, cinnamon on this thing, on some oatmeal, is the best. And now all I'm gonna do is just mix it all in. Do you guys hear this? Look. That's some thick oatmeal. Thick boy. All right, taste test. Let's go. Ready? 1. I already know this is gonna taste amazing. Just because I know I'm gonna get 1 of everything at least. So, oh, here it is. The perfect spoon. Let's go. And And that's the video. I just want to say again, thank you for everyone who's supporting, liking. As always, I appreciate you all. This oatmeal is super, super easy to make. Like, this is probably the most basic thing I've made on this channel so far. Literally anyone can do it. You can put anything you want into it. You can put blueberries. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Until then, later.